Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today, inshallah, we will make more practice on Arabic half shapes of alphabets. Let's start reading, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In first block, three letters are in it. The first pink color has two dots bottom. Its mean that is first shape of ya. Ya. Mid letter shape is first half shape of J. J. That is Jim shape. Last black is full shape of Ba. Ba. So ya Jim Ba. Next block. In second block, the first letter has one dot bottom, that is Ba letter. Second, green, that is first shape of Ho. And last, pink color is Ta. Black is Ba. Mid letter Ho. Last one Ta. Next, this shape has two dots on the top. This letter known as Ta. This is another shape of Ta letter. Next, this black letter is Ha. The shape is same as it is like previous Ta, but that letter is empty, doesn't have any dot. When this shape has two dots on the top, we call that letter Ta. When this shape doesn't have any dot on the top or bottom, so we call that letter is Ha. I think you got it. Inshallah, go ahead. Last one. One dot bottom, the first shape of Ba. Last one, this is Ta. Last shape of Ta. We need to look the shape of that letter, that is Ta. We will revise from beginning one time. Top line, beginning block. Ya, Jim, Ba. Next, Ba, Ho, Ta. Next, Ta, Ha, Ba, Ta. I think so. You got it. Next line. In second line, first block have two letters. First letter has two dots bottom, so it's mean This is ya letter. First shape of ya. The second black is ha. You need to look the top line. Fourth word ha. That is and shape of ha. Next, first shape has two dots top. This is ta. The second, this letter is the last shape of ha. This is another shape of ha. We have read the two shape of ha. This is and shape of ha. This is also and shape of ha. Again, ta, ha. The previous one is ya, ha. I think so. You got it. Next, very easy. This is first shape of noon. The last two dots top. That is end shape of the. The. We will recall again. Noon. The. Next, this letter have, look like two eyes. We call that letter ha. Ha. Next block, two dots bottom, ya, mid letter, ha, last one, ba. Again, ha, ya, ha, ba. I think so. You got it. Line number 3. One dot bottom, ba. Mid letter, ha. Last one in black, look like straight line. That is alif. Very easy. Again, ba, ha, alif. Go ahead. One dot bottom, ba. The mid shape is the mid shape of ha. That is ha letter. Ha. Last one, the end shape of meme. Meme. We will recall again. The first black is ba. Mid is ha. End is meme. Next, this black letter is very easy. This is full shape of dal. Next, same as it is in pink, but that letter has one dot top. So this is zal. Next, This block have two letters in it. Black letter is the first shape of G. G. Last letter and shape of Dal. Dal. I think so. We got it. We will make practice one more time from beginning. What? Top line, first letter, Ya, Jim, Ba. Next, one dot bottom, Ba, green shape, one dot top, Ho, last is Ta. Next, to the top, Ta. Next, black shape is Ha. Last block, one dot bottom, Ba. Last is two dots top, Ta. Next line, two dots bottom, Ya. This black shape is Ha. Next, Ta. This black tail is and shape of Ha. Next, Noon. Last is Ta. Next one, Ha. Next, black is Ya. Mid letter known as Ha. Last is Ba. Next line. First, Ba. Mid shape, Ha. Look like straight line black. Alif. Next, Ba. Mid shape is mid shape of Ha. And pink letter known as N shape of Mim. Next, full shape of Dal. Next, full shape of Zal. Last word, the black shape which have one dot bottom, Jim, and last one is Dal. Sadaqallahul Adim.